Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to withdraw or transfer money from your HSBC account to Wells Fargo in 2025. Whether you're moving funds for personal reasons, investments, or just managing your finances across borders, this step-by-step guide will make it straightforward and hassle-free. With banking tech evolving, 2025 brings some handy updates like faster processing and enhanced security features, so let's get started. First things first, ensure you have active accounts at both HSBC and Wells Fargo. Log into your HSBC online banking portal or mobile app. It's the most convenient way. Once you're in, navigate to the Transfers or Payments section. Here, you'll select the option for an external transfer. For 2025, HSBC has streamlined this with a new Quick Transfer feature that supports real-time transfers to U.S. banks like Wells Fargo. Next, enter the necessary details: your Wells Fargo account number, routing number, and the amount you want to transfer. Double-check everything to avoid any errors. Mistakes can lead to delays or fees. Now, for the fun part, authorize the transfer. You'll likely need to verify it via a two-factor authentication code sent to your phone or email, which is a key security measure in 2025 to protect against fraud. Keep in mind, transfer times can vary. Domestic transfers might hit your Wells Fargo account in 1 to 3 business days, but international ones could take longer, up to a week. Also, watch out for fees. HSBC might charge a flat fee for outgoing transfers, and Wells Fargo could have incoming fees, so check both banks' policies beforehand. A pro tip for 2025: use HSBC's new integration with digital wallets to potentially reduce costs. Once the transfer is initiated, monitor it through your HSBC dashboard or Wells Fargo app. If you run into issues, customer support at either bank is just a call away. There you have it. That's how you smoothly move your money in 2025. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.